Oh, it's Timmeh!
Yeah.
Oh, he's left the cave, what?
Yeah, yeah.
No,
It's because I'm on my laptop.
Timmeh's joined the cave!
See?
Oh, Timmeh, am I happy to see you today?
Don't get at me, please.
Wait, what's going on?
Oh, hell. Oh, hell.
I'm confused.
No, I don't trust
I'm
you.
confused.
I know.
Why?
Sorry, but-
Why does no one trust me? I'm not acting any differently.
Ariel's been present at the coronation.
Okay, there was a little bit of an RDM fest there. I'm really not sure what's going on.
Can I check?
Okay, where's Timmeh?
Did I get him? I think I got him.
Ha!
I think I got him. Can I be proven for that? I took one shot and he
I
dropped.
didn't actually see you shoot at him.
Okay.
The window broke.
Okay, so who else is proven? Is it just Dakota?
I
think I should be.
Perhaps.
But you know.
Right, so there's three of us. Three of us who need to. Right. Oh, look behind us. Who's that? Nikki. You a T? Come back.
Okay.
Nikki. Nikki. Shoot me. Shoot me in the face. Oh God. Okay, it's whoever's behind us. It's Ariel. You sneaky, sneaky, sneak.
Oh wow.
Wait, so you two need to fight it out. I'm proven. You two need to fight it out. Nikki and blah blah blah. What's your name? Damien Firewalker. Nikki, come here. Nikki. Damien, go fight Nikki. No, don't stand still. Go fight Nikki. Okay, well, yeah, I'll just follow you, and then I'll kill the winner. I mean, the fact that Nikki's not here is awfully suspicious. Oh, Nikki. Come on, Damien, let's go. Nikki. Hey, where are you going? I want to stay with you. Don't leave me. Nikki. Okay, traitors need to start trading. Say, it's on the screen. Pay attention. Oh, fuck. Okay, I've got it. I've got it again, guys. I've got it again.
What exactly have you got?
Right.
Eight.
I've got an idea.
Oh,
I've got an
eight.
idea. I just need some people. Right. You know that song, and it's like peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And he's wearing like a costume.
Yeah.
Yeah. What costume is it?
Whoa, instantly awesome.
I don't know.
Sorry.
What do you mean you don't know? Does anyone know?
Sorry.
Are you kidding me?
Infinite Pain knows. It's a banana.
Well, that's already him.
KOS Captain. You've got to be kidding me.
I suck so much.
I think Dakota died. Ow.
No, don't KOS me. I want to live.
Just clicked and I almost died. Okay, don't kill.
Down where
We
it's
need to get some
wetter,
beats
that's
going.
where it's better.
We need
Take
to
it
get some
from
beats
me.
going.
What the
It
heck?
sounded like a fucking laser.